Have you ever wondered how each breath regulates your heart, fuels your cells, and even affects your mood? Stick around because by mastering your breath, you can truly transform your well being. Today, we go into the basics of pranayama. What is pranayama? Pranayama, if you break these two words, prana is your life force and ayam is extension or control. So, pranayama is essentially taking control over your life force, your prana. Many of us let our breath run on autopilot, unaware that the way we breathe influences everything from cellular energy to immune function. Without conscious control, we miss out on the most powerful tool for our well being, our own breath. Welcome to the School of Breath. My name is Abhi Duggal, and in 20 years of teaching breathwork, I have witnessed how proper breathing techniques can revolutionize your health and your mental well being. Here are some of the benefits of proper breathing. You have more cellular energy. Every cell in your body depends on the oxygen to produce energy. Detoxification. When you exhale, it removes excess carbon dioxide. And as you make your exhales longer, you're getting rid of all the excess carbon dioxide in your body. And this maintains your body pH. Third one is your nervous system regulation. Slow, controlled breathing, especially your diaphragmatic breathing or also called yogic breathing, helps activate your parasympathetic nervous system. That is your rest and digest mode of the body, which reduces stress and fosters relaxation. Fourth one is your heart health and circulatory system. When we introduce breath holds, we increase the amount of oxygen in the body. That helps your circulatory system, and this regulates your heart rate and all the cardiovascular activities. Fifth one is for your brain function. And of course, we all know how important oxygen is for your brain. A well oxygenated brain means better concentration, sharper memory, and improved cognitive function. Deep breathing can help even boost your mood. And of course, we know the benefits of deep breathing for your digestive support and your immune health. And last but not the least, we come to our hormonal imbalance. My friends, you are a chemical soup. And if we can just optimally balance our hormones in the body, we can balance our mind and our body at the same time. And the best and effective way to balance the hormones in the body is through Bhramari Pranayama, the humming bee breath, which we'll introduce in the video today. All right, now let's come on to the three basic common mistakes we make as beginners in this pranayama breathing journey. The first one, my friends, I want you to notice as you breathe in, is your belly expanding all the way? If your belly is not expanding, that you might have some traumas which might have rewired your body. So let's go step by step and study your body. So bring your right palm on your belly, and as you inhale, make sure your belly expands all the way. And now fill up your chest. And as you exhale, of course, pull the belly in. This is active breathing. The second common mistake is shallow breathing. We are only breathing in our thoracic cavity, our chest area. So make sure you breathe all the way deep into the belly and then fill up the chest. And that would be deep, slow, rhythmic breath, which would signal your body that the world around you is safe. And that would kick in your rest and digest mode of the body to rejuvenate you. The third one, my friends, is that we don't control our breathing. The good news is the breath is the only function in the body which is both voluntary and involuntary. There's a lot of things in the body going on involuntary. Your hormonal activity, your blood circulation, your heartbeat, these are all involuntary. You cannot control them. But luckily, you can control your breath. And when you do not control the breath, it happens involuntary. So as we go into the journey of yoga, pranayama, and breath work, we would start to control our breath. We would bring the breath in our conscious control. So today we bring you three basic breathing techniques. First one we bring you is Kapalbhati Pranayama, the breath of fire. Kapalbhati Pranayama. Kapal means your skull. Bhati means glow. So you're literally bringing glow to your face. So as you do this, you're shaking this energy which is dormant at the bottom of your spine, and this energy starts to move up all the way towards the face. Here you engage your abdominal muscles. You exhale actively, inhale happens automatically, and you use your nose for inhales and exhales. So find a comfortable cross-legged position, keeping your spine straight, and as you inhale, bring the breath all the way into the belly. And as you exhale, exhale all the way, pull the diaphragm up, belly in. Inhale halfway, and we begin. This is your pace. Six more times. And exhale fully. Pull the diaphragm up and hold the breath for 15 seconds. Now inhale. Hold the breath in for 30 seconds. Engage your root chakra, your Mula Bandha. Beautiful, my friends. Slowly allow the breath to come out, in naturally, and just sit down and allow your body to return back to its normal breathing. Amazing job. Now we go on to the second set of Kapalbhati Pranayama, the breath of fire. Here we'll make the breath a little faster. So inhale fully, exhale fully, inhale halfway. Exhale fully, hold the breath out again, 15 seconds. Beautiful, inhale. Rejuvenating breath in, holding the breath in 30 seconds. Amazing job. Very slowly allow the breath to come in, out normally. Second one we go into is diaphragmatic breathing. This is where we rewire our brain, our body, our nervous system to breathe correctly. We might be breathing incorrectly for a long time. You never know when the first trauma hits your body. So let's rewire our brain, nervous system to breathe correctly. So first bring your palm on your belly, and we're going to breathe in for 6, exhale for 9. Diaphragmatic breathing. We add a little sound to the breath as you breathe in and breathe out. Inhaling for 6. Allow the breath to come into the belly. Fill up the chest all the way to the shoulder. Exhale, relax the chest, relax the shoulder. Pull the belly in, continue pulling in. Beautiful. Inhale 6. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Exhale 9. Last 2. Inhale 6. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold the breath in for 9. Amazing. Exhale 9. Allow the breath to come out naturally. And now just sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Beautiful job. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. So we did the diaphragmatic breathing. In this diaphragmatic breathing, we exhaled longer than inhale. When we do this type of breathing, we activate our parasympathetic response, our rest and digest system of the body. The third one, we'll balance all the hormones in the body through Bhramari Pranayama, humming bee breath. As we create this vibration, we create this in hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is the control center of your whole hormonal system. So we reset the hypothalamus with this vibration of humming. This humming sound has a lot of benefit. It increases the amount of nitric oxide which your body naturally produces by 15 to sometimes 40 times when you do it effectively. So it has many benefits on your body, mind, and your energy level. So we'll do this 6 times. You'll bring your hands in 7 doors closing mudra, 2 ears, eyes, nose, mouth. Inhale fully. On exhale, creating a smooth humming sound. Inhale fully. Inhale into the belly. and come to sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Beautiful job. Slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing job, my friends. So we did this basic pranayama practice. Now, practice this for the next 30 days. Don't rush into advanced breathing practices, because allow your body to make this into a memory. When you're doing these breathing techniques a little slowly, your body has a memory and it'll do this properly. So practice this slowly as a beginner for next 30 days, and you'll start seeing a lot of change, a positive change in your mind, your body, and in your energy levels. We have prepared 3 guided meditation audios to enhance your Kundalini awakening journey. With that, we also include a 21-session eBook that supports your Kundalini journey through daily reflections and tracks your spiritual progress. Link is available in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you might like to enroll in our comprehensive step-by-step Kundalini Awakening course. Join us on our Holistic Awakening membership that grants you access to the Kundalini course, along with all the Breathwork courses and meditation courses we offer. And you can now download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, guided meditations, and calming sleep music, all in one place. Each day, you wait, you delay your transformation journey. So act now and click in the link in the description below to start your spiritual evolution. So I hope this video brought a little value into your life. If you have a friend who is a beginners in pranayama, make sure you send them this video so they can have a conceptual understanding of how pranayama works. And if this video brought a little value into your life, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button. Until next time, my name is Abhi Duggal. Namaste, peace and love.